Okay. So as we were doing exercise 2.1, question number 12, I was telling you here that x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. And when you will solve it further, plus 1 will go that side, which will give you 7 upon 15 minus 1, which we have written 1 by 1 only. And after writing 1 by 1, we have solved it like a normal fraction by using the LCM. Now, after using the LCM, it will give you 7 minus 15 upon 15. And when you will write it down, it will give you x upon 3 is equals to minus 8 upon 15. Now, this 3 is in division here, which will go that side and multiply. It will be now minus 8 upon 15 multiply by 3. And when you will solve this further, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. The value of x will come minus 8 by 5. It means in your book, beta, in your book, the question is written wrong. Okay? In NCERT book, somewhere the question is written wrong because the answer will come minus 8 upon 5. Okay. So yes, students, now we are going to start exercise 2.3. Here I will tell you various type of questions which I feel important. Okay, every pattern we will do at least 1 or 2 questions. So I'll begin with question number, suppose I'm taking it question number 2, which is little different from here. So the question is 5t minus 3 is equals to 3t minus 5. Remember, in this type of question, if you will see, the variable is only t. Okay, the variable is only t, but it is written twice. Okay, two times it is written. Like one is in left hand side and one is written right hand side. So the first step will be to keep all the variable expressions one sided and all the constant at one side. Okay, first we will keep it all the t's one side and all the numbers at the second side. So if you will do this way, 5t will keep, we will keep it here only, that 5t will be here only. Now this 3t, which is written on right hand side, will come this side. So it was in positive t. When it will come this side, so it will give you minus 3t. Okay? Then is equal to minus 5 जो यहाँ पे पहले से था, we will not touch that. We will keep it there only. So minus 5 will remain like that only. Now this minus 3 will go that side, will be a positive 3. Okay? Because it was in minus 3 earlier. So it will go that side in positive 3. Now just you need to solve it. 5t minus 3t, which will give us 2t, and minus 5 plus 3, which will give us minus 2, because 5 is a greater number. Okay? Now just you know that 2t means 2 into t, and this is minus 2. Now when you will solve it, t will be here only, and minus 2 divided by minus 2, which will give us minus 1. So in this particular question, the solution of this t is minus 1. The answer will be 5. Now let us see how 2x will be here only, beta. This minus x will come here. It will give you 2x plus 3x. Then 14 will be here only. This minus 1 will go that side, which will become plus 1. Okay? And this 14 and plus 1 together will give us 15. 2x plus 1x, which will be added together, will give us 3x is equals to 15. And x is equals to 15 by 3, which will give us 5 only. 3 5s are 15. So the answer of this particular question will be x is equals to 5. Now let us try another question. We have done it now 2 questions of this exercise. Now let us try another question from this exercise. So the question which I am taking is question number 6. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 1 plus 7. Beta, remember, if you do any kind of question, okay, if you are doing any kind of question and if you see that there is bracket, okay, if you solve any kind of question, if you see bracket over there, beta, the first step should be to solve the bracket. The first step should be to solve the bracket. So what we will do it now? First, we will open the bracket. 8x plus 4 will keep it here only. When you will open this bracket, it will be open using distributive property. So 3 multiplied by x, it will give us 3x minus 3 multiplied by 1, which will give us minus 3 only. Plus 7 will remain common. That will be same only, that plus 7 only. Now 8x plus 4, we are not going to solve it. We are keeping it like that only. 3x also will not be solved. We have kept it like that only. This 7 and this minus 3 will be solved together, which will give us plus 4. Okay? Now this question has become the previous kind of question. ठीक है, जो कि हम already कर चुके हैं. How will you do that? Take it x together. It will give you 8x minus 3x. Then here it will be 4 minus 4. ठीक है. Now 4 minus 4, when you will solve it, it will give you 0. It will give you 5x is equals to 0, which will give us x is equals to 0 by 5, which will be 0 only. So we are doing now exercise 2.3, question number 8. Now this type of pattern we'll do it. 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Beta, till now, whatever we have done it before this question, it was all class 7th question. Okay, these all questions which we have done it earlier, these were all questions which we have done it in class 7th also. But right from question number 8, starting from question number 8, now the question standard will be little changed. And I would request you that when you are solving this chapter, please prefer R.S. Agrawal also. Okay, do the questions from R.S. Agrawal as well, because the questions will not come very simple as it is there in NCERT book. Okay, so do questions from R.S. Agrawal as well if you feel that you have to ask questions from me. Although I will also do it from R.S. Agrawal, but then to आप भी solve करते रहो, or if you find any question difficult, you can ask from me. Okay, chalo, let's do this question. In this particular question, beta, first we will do the same process again. We will have x one side and number one side. So जब आप ऐसे solve करोगे, it will give you 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15 will come together in subtraction, and this plus 3 will keep it here only. This plus 1 will go that side in minus 1. Okay, plus 1 will go that side in minus 1. Now it will give you only 2. And then we will solve this one as an LCM. 3 and 15 ka LCM will come as 15 only. Now when you will solve it, it will give you 5, and 5 2 ja 10x. Then minus, we will keep it like that only. Now 15 divided by 15, which will give us 1, and 1 7s are 7, which will give us 7x. Now 10x minus 7x, which will give us 3x. 3x by 15 is equals to only 2. Now just solve it further. 3x will keep it here only. And this 2 into 15. 2 jayega udhar pe, so it will give you 15 into 2, which will give us 30. 15 to the 30 in multiply. And the last step will be x is equals to 30 by 3, which will give us 10. So the value of x in this particular question will be 10. Let me show you by putting down the camera.